How to use Render Queue panel and deliver page in Davinci Resolve. To get started, I created a timeline and I'm on the deliver page. Click on this button to expand or shrink Render Queue panel. Change the export settings based on your needs and click on Add to Render Queue. This will add a job to the Render Queue panel. To see more details about a job, just click on the three dots button and select Show Job Details. To edit a job, click on the pencil button next to a job, then change the export settings and click on Update Job. To delete a job, click on this close button. To only render some of the jobs, hold down the Control key and select the jobs, and click on Render button. To render all the jobs, click anywhere empty so no job is selected, and then click on Render All button. When the render is in process, you can see a preview of the rendered video. Click on the three dots button at the top of Viewer and select Minimal to see a lower version of the exported video. Select On to see the exported video, and click Off to hide preview. To clear rendered jobs, click on the three dots button and select Clear Rendered. To see jobs from other projects, click on the three dots button again and enable Show All Projects. Now I can add another job from another project and it will appear here. After a render is completed, right-click on the rendered job and select Open File Location to open the file in the Explorer. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.